What's going on, everyone? So today I've been grinding a lot, and I think what I'm gonna do is a bright engram opening. I saved up all 10 slots. They're all bright engrams. I think I'm just gonna do a one massive opening for all 10 of them. But I want to get specific things out of this engram opening. Like specifically, I want the symmetry flight, the ship. I want to get the entire warlock armor set, obviously since I'm a warlock. The sparrow, it's the hastelude, I think is what it's called. Any exotic emote, I don't really care too much about the emotes, but I think they'd be cool to have. And then the transmat mod, specifically the Cabal one. So let's get right into this.
What can I do for you, Guardian?
Alright, here we go. Let's do this. First one. Okay. Let's do it again. Nope. I'm going to go through everything that I got at the end of this video. But for right now, I'm just going to open it till I get something that I want. Okay, that's the Wardrift coil skin. Angel Bloom, that's a sparrow. Alright. I got a ship. Not the one I wanted, but it's a different one. Alright, last 5. Here we go. Another ghost shell. Another ghost shell. Last 3. Cerulean Divide. It's just a shader. I got some bright dust. That's kind of cool. Last one. I think it's crazy that I've literally gotten nothing that I wanted out of all 10 of these engrams. Another gift of... Okay. Literally nothing that I wanted. But, hey. Let's go through and see what we got.
Shopping at Eververse. We drove the Red Legion out.
So the ghost shells. We have the interchange shell. Looks pretty cool. Additional faction consumables on IO.
Done myself, but the Cabal turned.
I don't really travel to IO, to be honest. I really don't. What about Hemisphere Shell? Generate gunsmith telemetry data on void weapon kills. 30-meter range on IO.
It's nice to have Fenchurch back.
Half submerged
or
cell.
As back as an absentee
Shell.
adventurer can be when he's never here.
Okay, I do go to Titan a lot. Like, I do farm public events on Titan quite a lot, so that may be useful.
We feel enhance a Guardian's journey.
How can I help?
Okay. So if we go over here to the ships, we got this Angel Bloom ship. Really? Alright.
Almost picked up a gun myself, but
No.
turned tail. Lucky them.
No. I like that, actually. I do like that. Well, that's my first choice, but I'm going to go through the rest of
More than
these.
a Cabal invasion to shatter Eververse.
No. I kind of like that one as well.
Eververse isn't just a title.
You know what I don't
it's a value
understand?
philosophy.
If I already
Always
unlocked the
another
shader,
buyer.
why do I have to
Forever,
spend Glimmer
not
to apply the shader? Water. Okay, that looks stupid.
It'll take more than a Cabal invasion to shatter Eververse.
It was this one, or should I go with this one? I think I'm gonna go with this one for right now.
Almost picked up a gun myself, but the Cabal turned tail.
That tower's empty, isn't it?
I'll keep these in case I make a different character. I'll just put them in the vault and give them to that
Eververse
other
isn't just a
character.
title.
And
It's a promise.
all right, next let's see what this emote is.
Tower's empty, isn't it?
When your space needs some dance in it.
It's nice to have Fenchurch back. Or at least as back as an absentee adventurer can be when he's never here.
Bad rattle. Very bad.
All right, cool. Stow away that emote. Don't really care too much for it. This new ship, which I can already tell. It's got a hive transmat
Take
effect.
as long as you like.
It's
I can wait.
it's not bad.
Take as long as you like. I can wait.
Go ahead and put that on.
Need some new moves, Guardian? Maybe a new look?
I need to delete these ghosts because I don't really need them. I'll keep that one. I don't really care too much for the sparrows, actually.
Clean up dust, reorganize my inventory. It's not home yet, but it will be.
Alright, what else did we get? I think that's about it. Oh, we got that.
Looking for anything special?
Got a helmet armor mod, warlock bond mod, helmet armor mod.
It's easy math, Guardian. You got the silver, Eververse has the goods.
Okay. So I have
Welcome back.
all these to go through as well. I think I'm gonna hold off on that. I'm just gonna keep collecting until it gets full, and then I'll do one big, massive engram opening. See if I get anything cool. But I think that's about it for this video. I got absolutely nothing I wanted, so better luck next time. I wonder if a fire team medallion would increase my chances. I don't think so. I don't think it would. But yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.